Hello, Jer. Una sa lahat, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Maraming taon ang nagdaan, pero eto, nandito pa rin tayo. Sa awa ng Diyos, malakas pa rin at may buhay. Sana magpatuloy tayo. Habang tayo may buhay, lagi tayong magkasama at magkita.
Happy birthday, Diko!
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Ang wish ko sa'yo, Dikong, sana humaba pa ang buhay mo at dumami pa ang birthday mo.
We love you!
We love you, Dikong!
Happy birthday, Jerry! More blessed and healthiest birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jerry! Be healthy all the time.
Stay healthy and God bless, and we love you, Kuya Jerry.
Kuya Jerry, long life.
More years to come, Kuya Jerry.
We love you.
Bagay na bagay po yung favorite cartoons nyo na Tom and Jerry. At kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, yung si Jerry po yung daga at si Jerry po yung makulit. Kasi paborito mo ang pangulit sa iyong mga apo.
Happy birthday, Papa! We hope you have a great day. We hope you have an awesome time in your birthday. We love you. Even if you tease us, right, Gerald? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Hal. 75 ka na. May prayers for you. Bigyan ka ng mahaba pang buhay. Maraming birthday pa to come. Makatulog ka ng mahimbing. Palaging masaya. Walang sakit. At puro paglilingkod sa ating simbahan ang iyong gagawin. Sapagkat napakaganda ng iyong puso. I love you. Take care.
Lagi ka pang narito, maba ang buhay mo, maging malusog ka para sa amin at mga kaibigan mo at loved ones.
Daddy, you know that I love you very much and I wish you have more years to live. Don't worry, we will take care of you. We love you very much, Dad. Happy birthday!
We appreciate everything that you do for the family. You are such a wonderful dad-in-law to have, and we are fortunate and blessed to have you.